What fabric do you want? We understand your fabric needs. Rongxu Fabric, a world-class fabric development, production, and trade enterprise. We provide a one-stop service for fabric trend recommendations, style design, and high-quality production, delivering exceptional fabrics to customers across the globe, from the United States and Europe to Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia, and beyond. Our commitment to fashion is reflected in our women's fashion fabrics. We blend innovation with craftsmanship to create fabrics that are not only trendy, but also versatile for a wide range of designs. Whether it's for bold, modern looks or timeless elegance, Rongxu's fabrics are a designer's dream. At Rongxu Fabric, we are committed to sustainable development. Our eco-friendly fabrics are designed with the future in mind, using sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact. From organic fabrics sourced from natural fibers to recycled fabrics that reduce waste, we lead the charge in responsible fabric production. For those seeking both style and durability, our shirt fabrics and suit fabrics offer the perfect combination of quality and comfort. Tailored to perfection, these fabrics are ideal for creating garments that elevate professional attire to a new level of sophistication. For ultimate comfort, our homeware fabrics are crafted to provide softness and breathability, ideal for creating garments that feel as good as they look. These fabrics are perfect for everyday wear at home. Rongxu Fabric is proud to serve customers worldwide, offering personalized solutions to meet the unique needs of every market. From fashion designers to retailers, our clients rely on us for innovative fabrics and sustainable solutions. At Rongxu Fabric, we're not just a fabric manufacturer, we're your partner in creating sustainable, stylish, and high-quality textiles. Join us as we continue to lead the way in fabric innovation, design, and sustainability.